c'è un brigante generoso monkey. Con le fide sue scimmiette dei potenti si fa beffe monkey. Trema il mandarino per il suo destino.
What is it today, London?
Just to let you know, London has lunch detention tomorrow. Please return that sign.
Oh, London, what happened today?
My principal's so irritating!
Why is she irritating?
This bully at lunch came up to little Johnny and he licked his finger and twisted it around in the SpaghettiO. I looked at him and I said, "You want spaghetti? I'll give you spaghetti." And I threw my lunch spaghetti at him. And it started a huge food fight.
London Bell, you cannot be starting food fights at school. I don't care what the circumstances.
Want one?
No, I don't want one. You are in so much trouble.
I personally don't think that I should be punished for defending Johnny. Comment down below if you think I should be grounded or not. This is ridiculous.
Vorresti la pubblicità della tua attività qui al cinema? Chiama Flyerbox al numero 051 408 6022 o visita il sito per maggiori informazioni.
Vorresti la tua pubblicità come in borgo nei cinema? Chiama Cimone Sci al numero 059 886 7777 o visita l'app per ulteriori informazioni.
Wow.